Welcome to Trader's Education. I'm about to share an extremely valuable investment secret with you. Please put aside everything else right now, listen to me carefully, and watch this video attentively. This video is all about learning how to potentially earn money with online trading. You don't need to know a thing about investing to get started. In fact, this method is so simple that thousands of people worldwide are using it to trade online successfully. And you can get started right now by filling in the form on this page. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover how people just like you are getting results with this online trading method, and how anyone can potentially make money with financial markets. But first, we've got to warn you, there's a big mistake that people make when trying to earn money with online trading. It can be easily avoided once you know this online trading method. And if you watch this video closely until the end, you will see exactly what I mean. Whether you decide to invest in traditional markets like stocks or dynamic markets like forex and crypto, you're going to need to learn how to pick winners. Let's look at an example of how this works. Were you one of the people who was an early investor in Amazon? If the answer is yes, you're probably watching this from your yacht, sipping a $1,000 bottle of champagne. If the answer is no, this could be your second chance, because we've picked a winner that early investors are just starting to realize has the potential to be worth a fortune. This new company just went public, and it's on track to be the next Amazon. You heard right. There's a publicly traded company that you can buy right now that has all the signs of being a powerhouse investment like Amazon. Just like Amazon back in 1998, most of Wall Street is completely overlooking this gem. And as was the case with sleeper stocks like Amazon, Apple, and Netflix, those same experts are going to miss out. But not you, because if you watch this video until the end, we'll reveal which company this is and their stock ticker symbol too. This same company is quietly positioning itself to push Apple out of the smartphone business. They're doing this by making high-quality devices, like the iPhone, but at a fraction of the price. Its stock is starting to heat up as more and more Apple customers ditch their iPhones to buy a device from this company. And when they do begin taking over Apple's market share, their stock is expected to explode. Make no mistake, this process is already happening as we speak. That means you now have the opportunity to potentially make a fortune on it. If you watch this video until the end, we will reveal the name of this company. That means you can start trading online right now with a potential winner already picked out. You could qualify for a spot to learn this easy to follow step-by-step method for trading online successfully. Simply fill out the form on this page and you can potentially pick winning investments just like we do every week. Once you submit the form on this page, you will receive a phone call from a trading specialist. This call is important. The trading specialist will confirm that you've been accepted to learn this method and help to set up your account with an initial investment deposit. You will then get unlimited access to user-friendly trading tools and trader education resources to start investing online successfully today. And in case learning new things online is difficult for you to do, your dedicated trading specialist is always just a phone call away. However, it's so simple, we don't think you'll have too many questions to begin with. That's because this method ensures that you learn the ins and outs of investing and trading financial markets. You will learn about different market opportunities, like traditional investing with stocks and funds, and more dynamic investing with forex and cryptocurrencies. You'll learn about fundamentals like understanding what an investment is really worth, and power moves like asset allocation, which investors use to balance risks versus rewards, and to double down on the momentum of winning picks. In fact, we're going to show you an example of this in a few minutes. With this simple method, you will develop a direct approach to pick winning investments. No need to call your broker to put in orders. No need to research a company to understand the advantages of investing in them, although it is recommended. You'll even learn how traders can profit if a company is about to drop in value. In other words, you can see how traders make money no matter what happens in the market. For example, there are traders who made money on Amazon's climb to the top, but who also made money from the collapse of major companies like the Lehman Brothers. Or even how traders made incredible profits after news of an emissions scandal caused Volkswagen stock to drop nearly 30% virtually overnight. It's all about having your money in the right place at the right time, something that you can learn with this method. This newbie-friendly trading method will help you spot financial opportunities like never before. And if you're among the chosen ones, you will receive access to some of the most advanced trading tools in the industry. At this point, you may be asking yourself, how can trading financial markets online possibly be as easy to and fun to learn as a game of cards like blackjack or solitaire. Doesn't this sound a little too good to be true? That's a reasonable reaction. But just think about it for a minute. Thanks to technology, everything has been made easier. In other words, everything that was once too good to be true is now both too good and too true. One classic example is PayPal. Before PayPal, sending money meant mailing a check in an envelope. If you wanted to send money overseas, you'd have to spend half an hour in your local bank. But thanks to technological breakthroughs like PayPal, you can now transfer money to anywhere in the world in just one touch. And the same way technology made transferring cash 100% easier, so too did the new methods introduced by game-changing trading technology. And this is your chance to get your hands on it. You don't need any prior experience trading online or even a 4-year degree, because this entire method only takes a few hours to learn. Simply fill out the form on this page, and once accepted, you can log in and learn from anywhere at any time from your browser or mobile device. Remember, there was a time when Warren Buffett didn't know how to invest. He learned the hard way. But thanks to this new financial technology, you don't need to. So if you want to be among those selected, you first need to fill out the form on this page. And if you do indeed get chosen, you will be contacted by a trading specialist on the phone to walk you through the entire process. Oh, and by the way, that breakthrough company we've been talking about, the one leading the charge into the next era of technology, known as the Internet of Things, it's called Xiaomi. Remember that big mistake we told you about earlier? The one that people make when starting to trade online? It's failing to see the big picture. That picking one winner usually shows you the next best move. Because Xiaomi isn't even the story here. The real story here is the company that provides Xiaomi with a key component for their flagship products. Their shares will piggyback off of Xiaomi's success in a major way. This is an example of doubling down through asset allocation. To find out who this company is, simply fill out the form on this page. Then, we will reveal not only which company it is, but their stock ticker symbol as well. And you'll be in the running to get started with our easy-to-use trading method. Good luck.